All right, 5.4, we're talking about infant physical growth. So by the end of this one, you should be able to describe the physical characteristics and skills of an infant. An infant is a baby ages 0 to 12 months. So the essential question for this one is for you to be able to explain the importance of tummy time. So go ahead and pause and then come back when you're ready after you've written your essential question down. All right, so infant physical development. Infants triple their birth weight in the first year, and they add half their length by the end of the first year. So if a baby was born at 7 pounds and was 20 inches long, by the end of their first year, they're usually around 21 pounds, so they triple it. And then they add half their length. So instead of being 20 inches, they're about 30 inches. That's a pretty crazy, physical development. If we doubled our weight and added half of our height every single year, we would all be like giant people walking around, okay? The other thing to note is that most children follow a natural physical development sequence. So they learn how to lift their head, then they roll over, then they crawl, which some children skip, okay? I actually skipped crawling. I ended up doing this weird thing where I would arc my back and use my head and kind of go into a bridge where I would push myself around on my feet and my head and I would get places. Yeah, apparently it was kind of weird, but it worked. Okay, so some kids skip crawling, cruising, and then walking. Okay, cruising is when kids start learning how to walk, but they have to hold on to something. So sometimes that's a toy that they can push and walk behind. Sometimes that's them walking while holding on to a table or somebody's hand or something like that. Okay. And then tummy time is key to all areas of a child's development. So let's watch this video and learn why the tummy time is important.
Hey guys, Mason and I are here to talk to you about tummy time. You know that you need to be doing tummy time 3 to 5 times a day, and you're going to build your baby's tolerance by doing it frequently. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you ways that you can incorporate it into your day, and we're also going to show you fun things that you can do with your baby on the floor, because that's where you and your baby need to be, is on the floor. He's going to learn the most about his environment when he's moving and exploring around on the floor. You also want to do tummy time more to get the pressure off of the back of the head. So once you do that, then the baby is extending, they're getting stronger, but you're also helping the head shape. As you can see here, Mason is doing tummy time right now. So if you're sitting on the couch talking to your friends, watching TV, you could do tummy time just like this. The little bottom padding always does the trick, and usually babies will tolerate this for quite some time. So this counts as tummy time. So what I'm going to do with Mason is I'm going to put him on his back. And what you want to do is you want to incorporate tummy time, back time, side lying, and so I'm going to do all of that here for you today. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some rolling activities. So you're going to bend the hips up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And you're going to roll him over and tuck his elbows. So then that way, he's working on extending his back. You're getting some good visual stimulation. If he gets fussy, you're going to tuck his elbow and roll him back over. Good boy! That's so good, Mason. Another thing you can do with the baby is you can take one hand and do the opposite foot, and you're going to touch him, and then you're going to stretch Stretch it out. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 4. And again, I'm watching his cues. If he gets a little fussy, I'm going to stop. Good job. Boop, 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 boop. Good job. You can also do some bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good boy. So those are a few ideas that you can do with your baby. Remember, tummy time is really important, and if you want even more inspiration on what tummy time will do for your baby, click on our link on the tummy time page, and there's a great graphic there for you to look at. Good luck. Our mission at Baby Begin is to eradicate plagiocephaly completely. Our products support that mission.
All right, so hopefully you understand a little bit more about what tummy time is and why it's important.
So whether it's a tummy...
All right, I will see you in the next